Good afternoon. Let's go. Hey, this is Wesley Virgin here. And what I want to do is, in this video here, I want to show you how to earn a minimum of $6,000 per month with a zero budget by using comments in a very specific way. This is one of my accounts right here that I use this comment strategy, and I do about 1,000 a day. And like so far, I don't spend a dime. I don't spend a dime online doing this. And right now I'm up $20,000 and it's June 1st to the 18th. And I'm gonna show you how to do it to make $5,000 to $6,000. How many of you, if I can help you make $5,000 to $6,000, like in the next 30 to 60 days, you will put a comment online and say, Wesley is the man. You will do a video for me and say, Wesley Virgin taught me how to do this and I'm making money, and I'm gonna post that on YouTube right now. How many of you would do that? I'm just curious. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Look, I'm not charging you a dime for this. All right? 'Cause I know a lot of you, you're in that broke mentality. So, okay, so this is the agreement. If I show you how to do this and you start to make money, you must promise me that you will put a video on YouTube, do a testimonial video, and say, Wesley Virgin changed my life because I'm not working a job any longer. Because I believe if people are making $6,000 a month, you don't need a job any longer, right? Because the average person doesn't make $4,000 a month. So if you promise me that you'll do that, I'll continue and I'm gonna show you how to do it for it's easy. Okay. First thing is you need a Digistore account. All right, so you got to go to Wesley Virgin. Just follow me, okay? It's important because you got to have something to promote. You're going to go to wesleyvirgin.com. Can everybody see that? Some of you already have Digistore accounts, so you are ahead of the ball game. I want everybody to screenshot that right now. Can somebody kindly type that below for me? Okay, you need that. That's important. That's how you get paid, because these are the people that pay you, okay? And once you go there, you're going to go to a place like this. Now, Digistore 24 is an affiliate platform. And basically, you have to promote something, right? For this to work, what I'm about to show you, you have to have a Digistore 24 account. You sign up here, it's free. And once you get your ID, you want to log in. Let's log in real quickly here. I'm gonna log into one of my accounts. All right, here we go. Now, let's go ahead and assume you already have a Digistore account. You have your free account, right? Makes sense here? And what you want to do is, oh God, Ariella, I see all her misses. She's making so much money today. I think she's up 10 grand. Okay, look at this. If you go to Marketplace, okay, I'm gonna go very slow for all my slow people, okay? You see that it says Wesley Virgin. This is my product here. We're still number one in the world, right? And this is what you need. You see this right here? Well, you need this. Boom, 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 bam. Copy that, okay? You need to, that link right here, you see this link right here? You need to shorten that link, okay? It can't be like this, right? It's too obvious. So what you want to do is go to either bit.ly.com, and this just shortens the URL. You see this? You copy that like that, okay? Shorten, blah, blah. So what you want to do is go to youtube.com, okay? youtube.com. And what you want to do is go to my channel, okay? You want to go to Wesley Virgin's channel. So the question is, what is Wesley Virgin's channel here? Okay? Let me see, do I have a link here for you? I mean, you can always just type in Wesley Virgin, I'll pop up right there. Wesley Virgin. And ignore any negative criticism about me. Just ignore those videos. You know, those are bottom feeders. Just focus on the money. Don't let other people block you from your blessings, okay? Look at this. If I click here, this is a video I did in my bedroom, my office, right? Now look down here. You see all these comments below? So you say, hey man, look at this, watch this. Hey man, this guy is the truth. Now, you could say I'm in his program. Now, you need to be in my program, okay? It makes more sense if you bought Overnight Millionaire, because that's what you're going to promote. But maybe you didn't. You can say either I'm in his program, or you can say, hey, I followed this guy. He changed my life. And here's the link where, here's the website where he shows proof. Okay? This got you. So I'm going to say here, here we go. He changed my life. And this is free, by the way. There's so much golden comments. He changed my life. Check out the proof here. Does that make sense? Can everybody see that? You just put your link. That's it. See that? Now, obviously, it's me, so that's not going to work. Because they're like, well, Wesley, that's you. Makes sense? But see, you can do this every day, all day. I got a guy that makes $200 a day to $6,000 a month. Okay? Because once they click on that link, boom, 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 bing, right? It goes here. And the great thing about that, if somebody watched that video, it's a 50% chance they're going to buy the product, but you make money on autopilot. Okay? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Hit the like button if that makes perfect sense. So you can go through all my videos and comment and say, this guy's the bomb. I have look at this. Let me show you something here. Let me prove to you that this works. Look at this. Let's go to YouTube Studio so you can see all these videos. Okay? And I post maybe 4 to 5 videos every single week. And look at all the comments. Right? I have so many. Look, that's 100 comments on this video here. I promise you, no one is doing this. Was one guy doing it, and he's making $6,000 a month. And he said, Wesley, I quit my job. Thank you so much. He was in tears. You guys can do this. I make about $30,000 to $40,000 a month doing that. I have people that do it for me. You can do it for yourself. $100 to $200 a day. Leave about 100 comments a day. If you do 100 comments a day on different people in all my videos, and understand I get thousands of views every single day, tens of thousands. So it's plenty of comments out there. And not only the people that you're leaving a comment going to get a notification, other people that are browsing. So if your link is there, you'll get paid. All right, much love. I gotta go. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin.